Okay, I ran into a couple little snags, but nothing too bad. This one right here wasn't holding that good, and it actually came loose. So I drilled it out, took the piece that I drilled, put it on the bottom here, so we have a flange on both sides, and then put the same size back in, and that worked. This one I was looking at, I just wasn't happy with it. It looked like it was going to let loose, so I drilled that one back out. And then I was looking at the hole, and it was kind of a little bit too big, so I grabbed a larger rivet, because I have quite a variety in here, and drilled it out more, but I couldn't put it in. Normally I was pulling from this side, but too much of an angle here. So that's interesting, the bolt just dropped up. So I had to do it from this side right here. And it didn't want to pop it off, but it pulled it nice and tight. So then I just grabbed my hacksaw, etched it a little bit, bent it back and forth, and it came right off. Okay, so we're ready. I guess I better look. Maybe I'm missing my bolt here too, but it doesn't look like a big deal here. Okay, here's the bolt. We want to see if we need a, looks like we need a little pin to hold that. Okay, let's figure that one out. And we're ready to start sawing.